Every street, alleyway, and building wears a coat of rubble. It's clear something terrible happened, but no one questions how insane the planet already is. You hear rumors that wolves were hunted to extinction 200 years ago and are just a fairy tale now. Some say they knew the way to a paradise away from this wasteland, and the most skeptic among us say wolves still exist, cursing us with illusions and wearing our skin. That guy's a wolf, and that guy's a wolf, and that guy's a wolf, and there's wolves. It's called Wolf's Rain. If it were called Parrot's Rain, it would be about fucking parrots. My priority
will be really fucking funny. Let me think of an animal where it will be not that will be fucking stupid. It will be fucking stupid. Chickens. Chickens reign. And they exterminated all the chickens. But the chickens they knew the way to paradise. And so some people deserve to eat chicken. There you go. If there's like manga, like a company that like anime company that wants to recruit me for my imaginative mind to do to sell some stories, call me up. Like I have my socials, no worries. Like let me think of another animal that that could replace Wolf's Rain, and it will make it stupid. Like the like really the dumbest. It has to be. It has to be like how are they called? Or are they called? Oh fuck! I know the name. I know the name. Wait, let me. Beavers. Imagine Beavers' reign. They killed all the beavers 200 years ago. But the beavers, they knew a way to go to paradise. And some people, should beavers.
is to not spoil you at all, but